In case of a predicted hazard, the AI system could automatically initiate safety measures, such as shutting down a particular operation or alerting the emergency response team. This automation not only ensured swift action, but also reduced the margin for human error, further enhancing worker safety. The result? A significant reduction in accidents and safety incidents. Workers felt safer, knowing that a powerful AI was working round the clock to protect them. The company also saw a reduction in costs associated with incidents and downtime. Beyond these tangible benefits, the company also experienced a shift in its safety culture. With AI's predictive capabilities, safety became a proactive rather than reactive measure. This shift, while less quantifiable, is no less significant. This case study clearly demonstrates the power of AI in enhancing safety in chemical industries. This is not just about the technology, it's about a commitment to safety, a commitment to workers, and a commitment to the future. In conclusion, what have we learned about AI-powered safety management in chemical industries? We've discovered that safety is paramount in chemical industries. These industries are fraught with potential hazards, so ensuring worker safety is a top priority. And here's where AI comes into play. With its ability to analyze large volumes of data in real time, AI can predict and mitigate risks that would otherwise go unnoticed. The case study we discussed earlier illustrates this point perfectly. AI was instrumental in identifying potential hazards, thereby preventing accidents and enhancing worker safety, but it doesn't stop there. AI also improves efficiency by streamlining safety protocols and reducing downtime caused by safety incidents. So, is AI the future of safety in chemical industries? Absolutely. Its potential is vast and its benefits are tangible. AI-powered safety management is not just a theoretical concept, it is a practical solution that is already making chemical industries safer and more efficient. The future of safety in chemical industries lies in AI.